Reading the book. Of course, you need to read the book completely. If possible, go through the book twice. Instrument to have while reading book. Pen or pencil, notebook or laptop, highlighter. Making notes. Note the central point or idea of book. Note the factors which supporting central point or idea in the book. Note the events which are related to central point of the book. Create an important keywords and characters list. Review writing. Write a one-paragraph introduction of the book, including book title, author's name, author background, number of pages, and date of publication. Write a paragraph of each short-listed keyword. If there are 25 keywords, write 25 paragraphs. Conclude all in last paragraph. Write your own opinion. Opinion writing. Write positive things that you found in the book. Write if you found any weakness in the book. Write if you observe any biasness in the book. Write if you found any confusion in the thoughts of author. Write positive things that you found in the book. Write if you have any ideological difference in the book. Write critically but with the solid logics so that author can respond you in next edition. Raise new question and start a academic debate.